were involved in a car accident, and there's a number of things that you need to do, or in any personal injury incident, there's a number of things that you need to do. You need to document the damage to your vehicle if you're involved in a vehicle accident. Document the scene, take pictures of the damage, take photographs, and take it so that it provides perspective. So don't zero in just on the dent. We need to see the whole car, the whole vehicle, so we have perspective. The same thing applies even more to if you have any bruises. Do not just zero in. If you had a bruise on your hand, do not just zero into the bruise, and that's all we see. We need to see the whole hand. If you have a bruise on your leg, stand back and take a photograph of the whole leg, of your whole body, then just the leg, then the bruise. So you want to start off further and go in and in and in. For your damages, for your bodily injury claim, you need to do the same thing. You could be cut, you could be bleeding, but if you do not have that documented by a medical professional, a licensed medical professional, it's not going to hold much weight. Now, the exception is if something happened to you and it was recorded, and so there's the evidence of it, that will slide, but you need to then go get it checked out. Too many people see all these false and misleading Facebook ads. We call them in the practice lead gens. They're false, they're fake, they inflate the value, right? It's unscrupulous people who sell these leads, who sell your case to other people. And the lawyer or law firm just doesn't care about the methods that are used to attract these cases. They're just happy that a case is coming in the door. They use this lead gen, these lies, to say that, oh yeah, I just went to the doctor once and I got $50,000. I got $100,000. That's not going to happen. To get a $50,000 case, you're most likely going to have suffered a concussion. If it's soft tissue, meaning just very bad muscle strain and strains, it means you're most likely going to have had very serious injections, pain management. $100,000 case, you can get it with a really bad concussion, or you're going to have like a torn rotator cuff, something wrong with your knee. Most likely going to have surgery, even if it's a minor surgery. Anything over 100,000 is going to involve surgery. You're not going to be able to get to it with that. And you're going to actually have to have had the surgery. Again, if it's a rotator cuff and you're scared of having surgery, I get that. But you have to go to a medical professional and document the injury. As far as physical damage, if you get bit by a dog, if you can take a picture of the dog, take a picture of the dog. If you can, the site of the dog bite, take a picture of the dog bite. Then take another picture that shows the area where the dog bite took place, and then take another picture that shows your whole body so that we can see the relation between the size of the dog bite, the location of the dog bite, and you. If you're involved in a car accident, a personal injury case here in Arizona, give me a call. At my law firm, it is your injuries, our fight, your win.